Hello, I'm Mari and behind camera is Jose.
Hi everybody!
This time I'll show you how to prepare the delicious chicory salad with Roquefort cheese.
Oh!
For this recipe, you need the fresh chicory, vinegar balsamic, black pepper, cedar vinegar, rape oil, Roquefort cheese, the real one, the fresh walnuts and some parsley for decoration. The first step, I prepare the chicories and the sauce.
Great!
So, about the sauce. The rape oil, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add some black pepper, vinegar, balsamic, half teaspoon, and cedar vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Eventually you can add some salt if you wish. And you have to mix very well together. Like this, the sauce rests during the moment we prepare the other ingredients. I reserve on a side. And the more biggest work for me, of course, is to prepare the nuts because they are fresh one.
Now we see very well them.
I bought this morning in a market, so we have to broken it.
It's done.
Yes. And to get just the
right side. Fruit.
yes, the fruit. When the nuts are ready, I let them here on a side and I do the preparation with the chicory. So I of course I get out the leaves, the first leaves around, and now I take only the best, like this. So I cut more short. I reserve here on the plate. And about the Roquefort cheese.
The famous one.
Yes, it's a specialty of France. If you don't find it, you can use another cheese with a strong taste.
The big character.
Yes. And I cut in sticks actually. In sticks like this. Here I cut the Roquefort cheese and I reserve now. And it's a moment to start to create the presentation dish. So I take one dish.
Beautiful.
Yes. And I start with the chicories. In each chicory, I add the piece of Roquefort cheese. Then I add the nuts on. Or on a side. Middle for a presentation, I add one nut full.
In center the flower.
So the parsley leaf. Okay. So this my sauce is left for a few minutes and I go slowly.
It's an excellent start when you receive some guests.
Yes.
Fireworks of taste immediately in the mouth. So nice the result.
And is ready to enjoy immediately
I guess.
with some toast or bread. Nature is great.
Oh.
We are sure you love this recipe and I see you next time for new recipes from Chef Marie. And all the ingredients list you find on our website www.chef-marie.com.
Bye bye everybody! Enjoy your start!
Enjoy this delicious Roquefort cheese!